to Peace Diaries. To my returning subscribers, thank you for being consistent and watching my videos. To my new subscribers, or if this is the first time you are seeing this channel, welcome. Do well to subscribe, like, share, and turn on your notification bell. I have come again, Lollipop. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw. This is an updated video on how to withdraw from your Lollipop account into your Epay account. If you don't know how to set up your Epay account, I will leave a link up above or in the description box so that you watch how to open your Epay wallet. Also, if you're just coming across this channel randomly and you like what you see, you want to join the live streaming app and make cool money in this 2025, I will leave the link in the description box on how you are going to download Lollipop live streaming app and win big in your games when you throw lucky gifts and when you do so many things. So you can see that golden dress I'm wearing. It's a super win event that is on Lollipop. Throw lucky gifts and stand a chance to win 1 million coins. I have been a lucky winner for 3 times. It is possible. You can come to my panel, let's throw gifts, gift ourselves, and stand a chance to win, because every panel that has won before has a high chance of winning again. Okay, back to the video. I want to show you how you withdraw to your Epay wallet. Now when you log in, you come to this human icon, you click on it, it's going to take you to this dashboard. Then you click on your Tpoint. When you click on the Tpoint, it's going to take you to another dashboard, which is this. You then click on cash out. Then you enter the amount you want to cash out. I want to cash out 350,000 Tpoints, which is what I'm going to withdraw. Then you click on withdraw. You select the currency type which you want. I have made a video on how to withdraw to the local bank account, which is Nigerian Naira. I have made a video on it. I'm going to link it up above. So in this video, I'm going to withdraw through Epay. I'll click on Epay. When I click on Epay, then I select the payment method. I'm going to select Epay. You can see that it attracts 0 fee and 0.3. So just few service charge. That is as little service charge that is going to charge, which is why I like Epay. If I'm not withdrawing to my local bank account, I prefer using Epay to withdraw. Reason being that Epay is cheap. The service charge is lower compared to USTD. Then I put my Epay account, which is my email. I type in my email. Then I enter it again to confirm. After you have put in your email, because it's your email that is your account information. Your email address is your account information. After you have put it, you can see I am expected to get $34.7. You can see that the 0.3 dollar has been taken away as service charge. Then you go ahead and click withdrawal. Application has been submitted. After this, you wait for 24 hours, 1 day to 5 working days before you can get credited, before you get your money. Now let's go to the transaction. Let me show you my transaction. You can see that my Tpoint has reduced to 47,000. Now let's go to the records and see my details of my transaction. You can see I withdrew 350,000 Tpoint. So these are the withdrawal I've made. These are the withdrawal I've made since I started Lollipop. So it's not difficult to withdraw. Let me know in the comment section if you are facing challenge withdrawing, and I'm going to put you through. Like I said, withdrawal is easy and stress-free. Let me know in the comment section if you have, and if you face any challenge. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried using Epay to withdraw. I also, like I said, there's a video on how to withdraw using your local bank account. I made a video on it. See it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.